Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to unsend and snap on Snapchat. So let's start. First, open the Snapchat app. Now go to chats from the bottom of the screen by tapping on the chat icon. Now select a conversation. To send a snap, tap on the camera icon on bottom left corner. I'll just pick a snap. Now tap send on bottom right corner. And the snap is sent. You cannot unsend the snap from here. If you click on the snap, it will show you nothing. Now go back. Now long press on the conversation and tap more. Now tap on clear conversation and tap clear, and all the message on this conversation will be deleted. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.